Hello guys, welcome to my channel Hardestmaths. It's me Binesh Kumar Mandal, and today also I came with one of the interesting questions. As you can see here, the question is 4 plus over root of 15 to the whole power of x plus 4 minus under root of 15 to the whole power of x is equal to 62. So this is the questions and it is asked to solve for x. So if you would like to give this problem a try, and just pause the video, and whenever you are ready, keep watching. So let's try to solve these questions. So we have a question here that 4 plus root over 15 to the whole power of x plus 4 minus root over 15 to the whole power of x is equal to 62. So I am going to let that 4 plus over root of 15 to the power whole to the power x is equal to, I am going to let it as a. You may let it anything here, just I have let it as a, that 4 plus root over root of 15 to the whole power of x is equal to a. Then if we let it as a, then 4 minus over root of 15 to the whole power of x will be 1 by a. This will be 1 by a, because this 4 minus over root of 15 to the whole power of x is the reciprocal of this. They are reciprocal to each other. I will show you that how it becomes that 1 by a. So what we have let it here, that 4 plus over root of 15, I have let it as a. I have let it as a, and then I am going to find its reciprocal, means 1 by a. So 1 by a is equal to, this will be 1 by 4 plus over root of 15. Now if we rationalize this, if we rationalize the denominator, then we can multiply both numerators and denominators by 4 minus over root of 15, 4 minus over root of 15. Now if 1 will be multiplied with this 4 over root of 15, 4 minus over root of 15, then this will have the 4 minus over root of 15, and then as you can see in the denominator, that 4 plus over root of 15 times 4 minus over root of 15. So they are in the form of formula that a square, a plus b times a minus b. So we can use the formula here, that a square means 4 over whole square minus over root of 15 whole square. So this will be 4 minus over root of 15 divided by 4 whole square, means it's a 16, minus over root of 15 whole square is 15. So finally we got here 4 minus over root of 15 by 1. Now if we divide this by 1, then we will have the same value, that is 4 minus over root of 15. So if 4 plus over root of 15 is a, then 1 by a will be here 4 minus over root of 15. Okay, therefore I have let it as that 4 plus over root of 15 to the power whole to the power x as a, then 4 minus over root of 15 whole to the power x becomes here 1 by a, because they are reciprocal of each other. They are the conjugate of each other. So now if we let this as a and this as 1 by a, so then this becomes 1 by a. Now the original equation becomes here, that because we have let it as a, so we can have its value as a here, a plus, now this becomes 1 by a, so this becomes 1 by a is equal to, we have here 62. Or now here is nothing, it means you can put here 1 and then just take their LCM. So while taking their LCM, we will have here the LCM of 1 and a will be a here, and a times a means it's a square plus 1 is equal to 62. Now we can cross multiply them. So while cross multiplying them, we will have here a square plus 1 is equal to, now if we bring this a to that side, then this will be 62a, or a square, now we can bring the 62a to the side, so minus 62a plus 1 is equal to 0. So we got the quadratic equations here in the form of a. As you can see here, a square minus 62a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now actually we need to find the value of a, and we need to find we have to solve for a here. This quadratic equations is in the form of a. So just I am going to let it as equations a, and then going to compare it with the standard equations of quadratic equations. Comparing these equations 1 with the standard equations, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we have a is equal to, the value of small a will be here 1 comma b is equal to, we can see here we have minus 62, so minus 62, and then c is equal to, we have here constant thing is here plus 1, and x represents here, x stood for a, because in the original equations there is a variable x, but in the equations 1 the variable is a, so x is equal to a. Now we can use the formula of quadratic equations. So the formula of quadratic equations is here, that x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the formula. Or x is equal to, we have here the variable x, we have the variable here a, here, so instead of x we can have here a is equal to minus b, so minus sign is already here, and b has already negative sign here, so negative and negative will be positive here, so 62 plus minus root over b square means again minus 62 whole square minus 4 times a is here 1, and then c value of c is also 1 here, by 2 times, and a is also 1 again. So a is equal to we got here that 62 plus minus root over, and if we square the 62, then this will be, the square of 62 will be here. Okay, so if we do the square of minus 62, then this will be 3844, and then minus 4 times 1 means it's a 4. Okay, then divide by, we have here 2. Now I am going to solve it here. So we got here a is equal to, it's a 62 plus minus sign root of r, and if we do subtract this 4, from 3844, then we got here 3840, and divide by, we have 2 here. Now if we find its square root, then as you can see here, I have already found here that the square root of this, as you can see here, I have already factorized this 3840, and I got here 8 2's and 115 as the factor of this. So I have written here 8 2's, 2 4 6 8 2's and 115 as the factors. Now we can square them, we can write them in the form of square. So 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, and after that 15. Now we can bring it out, because we are going to find the square root of this. So while finding the square root of this, we can bring it out. So if we bring it out, then this will be 2, this will be 2, and the next 2, and the next 2, and then 15 cannot comes out from the root, so this 15 remains under the root. So I have written here 15, root over 15. Now if we do multiply this all, then we will have here 16 over root of 15. So while finding the square root of this, we can get 16 over root of 15. So I am going to write its value as a 16 over root of 15. So 62 plus, and square root of this becomes 16 over root of 15. I already showed you that how it becomes this much, and divide by, we have 2 here, So a is equal to, now we can take a 2 common here. So while taking 2 as a common, then we will have here 31 plus minus and then 8 over root of 15 divided by 2. Now we can cancel this 2 and 2, this numerator and this numerator and this denominator. So a is equal to, we got here 31 plus minus root over 15. So this we got here. Now if we express it in the form of a square, then we can have here that a is equal to, we can write it that 16 plus 15, because if we do the add this 15 and the 16, then we get 31, and then plus minus, we have already plus minus sign here, and then we can write to this as 2, sorry 8, sorry there is 8, 2 times 4 into root over 15, 2 times 4 over root of 15. So we can express in the form of a square. So while expressing it in the form of a square, we can write to this that 16 plus 15 and plus minus 2 times 4 under root of 15. 2 times 4 means it's a 8. Therefore in place of 8 we can have here 2 times 4. Now a is equal to, this 16 can be written in the form of a square, that 4 whole square, and plus this 15 also can be written in the form of a square, that root over 15 whole square, and plus minus we have here 2 times 4 times our root of 15. So a is equal to, we got here that 4 whole square plus minus 2 times 4 over root of 15 and then plus over root of 15 whole square. So as you can see that they are in the form of formula, that a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is the formula of a plus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is the formula of a minus b whole square. So there is a plus minus sign, so we can write here that a is equal to, we got here a means 4 and plus minus sign, and b means we have here 15 under root of 15, so it's whole square. So we got a is equal to 4 plus minus our root of 15 whole square, because here is a plus minus sign here. If we take positive sign, then this will be 4 plus our root of 15 whole square, and if we take a minus sign from here, then this will represent here that 4 minus our root of 15 whole square, because they are in the form formula. So now actually we have to find the value of x, but we let we have let it that 4 plus our root of 15 to the power whole to the power x as a. So we can substitute the value of a as 4 plus under root of 15 whole to the power x. So I'm going to substitute its value, that 4 plus our root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to, we got here 4 plus minus our root of 15 whole to the power square whole square. Now while we will be taking the positive sign from here, because we have two sign here in the RHS, 4 plus our root of 15 whole square, while we will be taking positive sign from here, then we do have here x is equal to 2. So we can have here x is equal to plus minus 2. I will tell you that how it becomes plus minus. So while we will be taking the positive sign from here, then we do have the value of x as positive 2. While we will be taking the negative sign from here, then the value of x will be negative 2 here. I will tell you that how it becomes. So let's take the negative sign from here. I think by taking a positive sign, I think you have understood this, because their base will be same, so we can cancel their base and x is equal to directly positive 2. But while taking the negative sign, it will be minus 2 here, that means negative 2. The value of x will be negative 2 here. So that I am going to show you here how it becomes. So 4 plus our root of 15 to the power whole to the power x is equal to, I am going to take the negative sign from here. So 4 minus our root of 15 whole to the power 2. I have taken here negative sign. So 4 plus our root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to, now we can write to this as 1 by 4 plus our root of 15 whole square, because I already told you that 4 minus our root of 15 is the reciprocal of 4 plus our root of 15. So I have written I have written this 4 minus our root of 15 as 1 by 4 plus our root of 15 because it is the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal. Now we got here 4 plus our root of 15 whole to the power x is equal to 1 by 4 plus our root of 15 whole square. Now if we bring it to the numerator, then 4 plus our root of 15 whole is to the power x is equal to 4 plus our root of 15 whole to the power minus 2. This will have negative sign here because if we bring it to the numerator, then this will have the negative sign here. Now this base and base will be cancelled and x is equal to finally we got here minus 2. Therefore I have told you that while taking the positive sign, then the value of x will be positive 2 here, but while taking the negative sign from here, if we take the negative sign from here and solve the equations, then we got the value of x as negative 2. Therefore we have the two values of x here, one is positive 2 and the next one is negative 2. So this is the answer of these questions. So I hope you guys have understood these questions, you guys have enjoyed these solutions, and if you like the videos, like it, comment down below and share it to your friends, and at last please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.